Hello, good afternoon. This is Will from Will to Trade. Today is Friday, April 15th, and I want to go over some of the stocks that we had alerted and traded in our room, some of the stocks that our members had talked about. So first I want to mention that we do have a free stock chat room. The room's been around almost a month now, and we've had phenomenal growth, a lot of activity, some awesome trades by members, and just a really great community. If you're interested in joining our room, go ahead and send an email to me, thewilltotrade@gmail.com, and we'll get you all set up. Or I'll go ahead and leave a link down below where you can just click on there and sign up for our room as well. The first stock I want to talk about is CPXX. CPXX had a pretty solid day today. Reached, yet again, new highs, hitting 1531. This stock has really been on a tear the past couple days or so, and this is a stock that one of our members jumped into, and our member into it based on information that we had talked about in our room. But ultimately, this member made his own decision to go ahead and jump into this stock. He keeps reminding us every day when it reaches new highs, and every day we are really impressed. CPXX mostly focuses on day trades, but as you can see here, or as you can see in just a minute, this is a fantastic swing trade. I believe our number is up almost 50%, 40 or 50%, which is huge on this one trade. So as you can see on the chart on the screen, it's pretty solid, pretty strong. It's a nice strong move here in the morning, consolidates for the next few hours or so, pushes up again, has a nice cup, and then pushes up to a high of 1531. Fades a little bit, but still strongly above 15. Let me go ahead and pull up the multi-day chart here. We'll pull the 1 year chart. You can see, look how flat it is. Look at that. It's just flat, flat, flat down at the, $2 range? $2 range. And then all of a sudden, boom, it gets this huge boost. So it had its initial boost back in March 15th, pretty much exactly a month ago to the day. So today is April 15th. This is March 15th. And then ever since then, when it boosted up about $7 to almost, or $9, it's really been on a tear. It's had some up days, some pullback days, some up days, some pullback days. But then right here, the 31st, our member got in at 10.95. And he's just held steady. So as you can see, he got in on this day. And it's been what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days of trading. 2 or 3 weeks or so holding, 12 days of trading, and he's up 40 or 50%. So I want to give a shout out to our member that recognized a great opportunity with CPXX and alerted us when he got in, and continued to alert us every day that it makes new highs, including today. Okay, so the next stock that I want to talk about is EBIO. EBIO, actually, may as well zoom in here. So look at this. This also pretty flat. This is a sub $1 stock. Some of our members love the sub $1 stocks. All other members love stocks $1 plus. So we have different price points, different members checking out different type of stocks. Some members love to go long. Some members love to go short. We had some members that were alerting this. Look at this. And all of a sudden yesterday, it exploded. You can really tell. Let's see here. No, you can really tell when you zoom to this day here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom into the day, and there we have it. So you can see that it makes its run up, and right around here, about 40 cents, our members started alerting it yesterday. Some of our members jumped in around the 40-cent mark. Some of our members jumped in around the 50-cent mark, and then it just steadily continued to rise all day yesterday. It really had sporadic volume in after hours yesterday, but really popped up quite nicely to 79 cents. Pretty amazing, from 34 cents, yesterday morning. It kind of pulled back and kind of waved a bit in this morning's pre-market. So some of our members were talking about it. I was saying I would have been interested in it if it was above 79 cents, around 81 cents or more. It never reached that level, so I didn't make a trade on it. But if we zoom in to this morning, I don't think any of our members made this trade, but just to give you an idea of how intense some of these stocks can move, 1 minute candle, this blue line here is 70 cents. and this dotted blue line here is 77 cents. So you'd have to really be quick to really go ahead and capture these kind of moves. But if you are quick enough, you could have jumped in on a 10% gainer right here on EBIO, again, another stock that we were talking about. Let's switch over to GBSN. Typically, I'm not a fan of GBSN. As I've told my members, there's maybe been about 3 or 4 days in the past 3 or 4 months that GBSN has had strong bullish moves. But even like today, let me look at this. Even like today, it opened around 481. It popped up over 6 and then faded the rest of the day, and even closed lower than it opened, or closed pretty much like right at it opened. So it's really only like 3 or 4 days where it really were some opportunities. And I want to give a shout out to our members that were alerting us in our room. They saw that it had popped up in pre-market and really even in after hours yesterday. So we had members that were alerting it this morning, and we had members that were alerting it yesterday afternoon or after hours, letting us know about the positive sales news on GBSN, looking at this as a possible opportunity. And our member very accurately, very correctly had said, hey, above 480, above this blue line, there's a great opportunity here at GBSN. Some of our members jumped in at 480. Some of our other members jumped in at this mark here at about $5. And then it ran all the way up above 6. So some of our members made 10, 20+%. Look at this run right here on GBSN. Again, typically I don't like to trade GBSN because it is so volatile, and it will come crashing hard down on you. But this morning was a great morning for GBSN, and I got to give it out to our members for alerting this one. Last one I want to talk about is PTCT, PTT, midday momentum opportunity. This started really happening at about an hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours in market, which I always think is great, because there's morning gappers that will pop up first thing in the morning, but there's also always midday momentum plays, news plays that just pop up out of nowhere, and then it got halted. And again, look at the volume on the bottom left here, almost no volume. In the bottom or the left here section, pretty flat, trading around 6.30, not even really hitting $7. And then all of a sudden the news comes out, and boom, this blue line is $8. Around this point is where our member had recommended to jump in. So great alert from our member, because from this alert at $8, I think our member pulled about 10% gains. But from this alert here at $10, it ramped all the way up to from this alert at $8, it ramped up all the way above $10. That's a 20+% gain opportunity in 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes. Yeah, fantastic opportunity. So again, our room, I give alerts when I find opportunities. Other members are giving alerts as well. So that's the power of the community. It's not just me saying, hey, check this out or check that out. It's all of our members letting all the other members know. Long plays, short plays, sub $1 plays, $1+ plays, short-term holds, long-term, you name it. So if you are interested in our room, you can go ahead and email me, thewilltotrade@gmail.com, and I'll get you all set up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you made any trades on these stocks that I talked about, go ahead and leave some comments down below. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then you will get alerted when I upload new videos like these. Thank you all so much. Have a great weekend. See ya.